Wood carving is easy. Here at BeaverCraft, we do our best to make wood carving easy for everyone. Our tools are designed for beginners, while even professionals can put them to good use. Here on the channel, expect to see various wood carving tutorials. Learn to carve a rabbit, a gnome, a wood spirit, a cooksaw, different designs of spoons, an elephant, a duck, a snowman, and many other whittling projects. From time to time, we're having giveaways. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when we publish new videos. Enjoy free tutorials and giveaways from BeaverCraft regularly. Wood carving is relaxing. Whittle away today.